Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students. So the topic that we discussed was vocabulary, and in vocabulary we discussed about these words in which there is a task at the end of this week, and we discussed this matter in detail in 2 classes. That is a review video that you will find, inshallah, and your idea would be clearer and more vivid in your mind. Abnormal is an adjective. It means not normal, something is not usual, and the animal display abnormal behavior right before the catastrophic hurricane. So abnormal. The second one is legible. Sorry, the second one is capsize. Capsize is a verb to overturn a boat in water. So it means it's used specially for water to flip over. So the wave caused the boat to capsize during the storm. Capsize, turned upside down, to overturn. And catastrophe is a noun, a great and sudden misfortune or calamity. It can be natural. And we also discussed in detail, you should consult a dictionary, a good one, as a Cambridge or Merriam-Webster, and in order to generate more sentences, so the idea and meaning would be clear, and your mind could grasp it clearly and in an easier way. Decrease is a noun which is easy word, because a process becomes smaller or shorter, that is a decrease. But we are moving to the next one, that is disputatious is an adjective, quarrelsome, the one who is always like to argue and debate. So you can say, oh, he is a disputatious character in that drama or movie. So disputatious. The next one is eject, is a verb to expel. So you know, as in a computer, eject the button, kick or with something with forcefully, to take something forcefully out. Flourish is prosperity. It means to thrive, to prosper, to bring happiness, fruition. It means win. Here I have highlighted something here, which is actually win, W-H-N, not win. He began to flourish when he went to college and found friends with similar interests. So it means he began to grow. Flourish means to grow positively. Incentive, something that motivates. So, for example, many malls, provide incentives on different items because for selling purpose. Insubordinate is an adjective which is mean disobedient. And legible is easily readable. Or I can say his writing is legible. And the opposite of legible is illegible. His writing is illegible. It means unreadable. Nub is something, is a heart of something, the main point or the central point of something. What is the nub of that mood? What is the nub of that story? The next one is onslaught, is mean a very forceful attack and a very destructive attack. So because you can say that the once peaceful line committed an onslaught against its trainer. Ordained, to order a decree officially, that he was ordained to become the chief minister. Outstrip means to surpass or excel. So, for example, he outstripped me in discussion, he outstripped me in competition, in talk, different. Pervade means to become spread throughout all parts, to permeate. Prudent, to do something cautiously with extreme care. And the last word, which is cringe, and that is comparatively easy word, to put out or to extinguish, to satisfy oneself. After fireman put out the flames, he felt like there was a fire in his throat, so he quenched his throat with the water from the hose. So, my dear student, you should start study for the task that is going to take place from Thursday to Sunday. Inshallah, see you with a new review video in the next class. Till that time, goodbye.